Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin editing, and today we are going to make a vector love shape in Adobe Illustrator. In very first, let's make a circle. Now copy, paste the circle and make sure they're connected like this on the edge. Now go to the rectangle, press shift and make a square rectangle and rotate this one by pressing shift in the 45-degree angle. Let's make the color different and go to the arrange and set to back. Now place this square like this. Now select all these three shapes, go to the shape builder tool, press alt and delete this extra part, delete this part. Now select the green shape, shift and E, that means this eraser tool, erase the extra part here. Now select all the three shapes and in the pathfinder press unite, and you can see you have made the heart shape very easily. It's complete vector, you can use it any way you want. So yeah, very first tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.